Hi guys, I'm Seonkyoung guest. Welcome to Asian at Home. And yes, you saw the thumbnail. We're gonna make Gua Bao, the pork belly bao. Woo! So excited. Let's get started. I'm going to make braised pork belly for the my bao bun or the bao sandwich. I heard that if you say bao bun because a bao means a bun, so you're saying bun bun. But I mean, what's wrong with saying bun bun? It's kind of cute. So bao bun, it's kind of cute. I like it. Anyways, I'm going to turn on the heat over high heat to heat up my large Dutch oven. And I'm going to fry up my 4 pounds of pork belly that I cut into 1-inch cubes. When you cut the pork belly this small, it will shorten up the cooking time, which means we can eat earlier than when we're cooking big chunk of it. So anyways, into heated Dutch oven or large pot, thick bottom large pot, I'm going to add all the pork belly. You don't need to add any oil or anything because pork belly have a lot of fat. So meanwhile, pork belly is frying up. I'm going to make the sauce. So you will need a cup of chicken stock. This is where we're starting. And I'm going to add 1/4 cup of oyster sauce and 1/4 cup of hoisin sauce. Hoisin sauce has sweet and savory, really, really good. And if you want to, you can definitely go ahead and add some Chinese spice into the sauce, but I'm just gonna skip it because I'm not a huge fan of that strong Chinese spice flavor. I like just like a little hint of it. So 1/4 cup of dark soy sauce. So dark soy sauce is not sweet dark soy sauce, okay? This is just a color, super dark Chinese soy sauce. And 1/4 cup of honey, 1/4 cup of shaoxing wine, Chinese cooking wine. If you don't have a Chinese cooking wine, you can skip it or use a regular rice wine too. Mix, mix, mix. This is our sauce base. Let's check the pork out. The smell already so good. What's better smell than frying up the pork belly in the house? My pork belly looks really great. Oh, I love them so much. So meanwhile, I was frying up the pork belly. I actually chopped 1 large onion and 15 cloves of garlic. So I'm gonna add all into the pot. So saute the garlic and onion with the pork about a couple minutes. This is gonna be insanely good. Woo. Jacob, get ready. The luckiest man in the world, get ready to be real, the luckiest man in the universe today. Now, we're gonna pour the sauce mixture we made earlier. You know what it reminds me of? Jjajangmyeon. It looks like jjajangmyeon right now. Just keep scraping the bottom of the pot, all the goodness the pork belly already created for us. So if you want to, you can actually throw maybe a star anise here, some couple of cloves or whatever you want, like make a little more fragrance. You can definitely go ahead and do that, or a little pinch of Chinese spice. But I'm just gonna keep it as it is. It's totally up to you. I'm just gonna leave it up to you. We're gonna add 2 cups of water. Bring them to boil and hard boil for 20 minutes with no cover. Have you seen more prettier than this in your life? Because I haven't. While I was cooking the pork belly, I actually take some leaves out from cilantro. I julienne some cucumber, and I sliced thinly some red chili for make this sandwich. I'm so excited. And I have this bao bun recipe. I just shared it right here. Go ahead and check it out, or link it down below. You can click it. You can definitely use a store-bought frozen bao bun and just steam it real fast, and you don't have to make it from scratch. But I know a lot of you guys will ask me how to make that from scratch if I use a store-bought one. So I thought, I'm just gonna make a scratch first and then show you guys. I'm so excited. Okay. They're really nice and fluffy bao buns. I'm gonna actually turn off the heat now for my pork. They're good. Oh, the sauce is thickened. The pork belly is nice and tender. Oh. Oh. I'm just really happy girl right now. In my bao bun, scoop it out, the pork and the sauce all together. Put some cucumber, julienne cucumber, if you want to. Other than pork, it's all just optional, but you have to have cilantro though. I like to just use cilantro leaves, but you can just chop it up whole thing and add in here. And some red chili to your taste. You don't have to use red chili, but why not? I'm Seonkyoung longest. Got to have some chili in my food because I'm grown up adult. And I have this crushed peanuts. If you are allergic to peanut, you can use sesame seeds too. You just sprinkle right on top. Oh, look at my bowl, it's so cute! Here, I'll give you the big one. And guess what? We have more pork, so we can add in more if you want. Put more pork in here. Ready? Jan!
Jan, wait a minute. You told me you were going to give me the big one and you added more.
Mmm! Mmm! Oh my man! Mmm!
Pretty good.
Pretty good?
It's pretty good.
It's pretty good?
Pretty damn good. Effing delicious. What do people say now? Like, delicious AF? Is that how you say it?
Oh my goodness. I think I just made it.
One of the best things I've ever had in my entire life.
Best bao bun, pork bao bun, or
This is one of the best things I think I've had.
the food?
I've been looking forward to this moment right now all week long.
Because you had it before.
Yeah, because she recipe tested, so I've been waiting for this. Yeah, that's fair. Who cares? Why?
No.
Yeah, been smelling all day?
Storytelling, right?
Oh, okay.
I thought you was trying to argue with me. Don't argue with me over my pork belly, with your pork belly.
I'm just
Bao.
storytelling. She made it for the recipe testing. I tasted it. I remember how good it was. So today, I knew we are making this dish. So I was very excited because I know what I'm gonna enjoy.
Whose story is this? I've been waiting all week for this. Because she recipe tested it. I knew we were gonna eat it today. This is ridiculous.
The restaurant needs to come to me and learn this recipe and sell this.
They're just gonna watch your video. They're just gonna watch your video.
Right.
So whenever you open a restaurant,
Just let us know. So we want to visit and, quality test. Guys, if you liked my Gua Bao, the pork bao recipe, please give this video a thumbs up. I mean, you can thumbs down too if you didn't like it some reason or whatever, but I don't get it. Like, you don't want to eat this? Like, what is up? But anyways, subscribe my channel if you haven't for more delicious inspirations and ideas for Asian home cooking. And I'm Seonkyoung Longas, Jacob Longas, and this is Asian at Home. And remember, you can, it's all mixed up. And remember, you can always cook Asian food at your house. Give me some room! Making it easy and fun. I'm Seonkyoung Longas.
I'm Jacob Longas.
And this is Asian at Home. We'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
Bye.
If you ever taste
Must try.
try. If you try my recipes, please take a picture, take a little moment of take a picture or video, send me or tag me on Instagram and Facebook, so I can like and the comment and the shout out your post. Please do so and make sure you tag me so I can see it. Okay, I love you guys.
Bye.
Bye.
We should have made 5.
And after all this time